Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a super handy tutorial, how to highlight text in Google Docs for 2025. Whether you're a student working on essays, a professional polishing reports, or just someone organizing notes, highlighting can make your documents pop and easier to read. This feature has been updated slightly in the latest version, so let's get right into it. First things first, make sure you're logged into your Google account and open a Google Docs document. If you don't have one, just head to docs.google.com and create a new file. Now, select the text you want to highlight. You can do this by clicking and dragging your mouse over the words, or if you're on a keyboard shortcut kick, use Shift plus arrow keys for precision. Once your text is selected, look at the toolbar at the top of the page. You'll see a highlighter icon. It's the one that looks like a marker pen. Click on it, and a color palette will pop up. Google Docs in 2025 offers even more vibrant colors and shades, so choose the one that best suits your needs. For example, yellow for important notes or green for edits. Just click your color, and voila, the text is highlighted. If you need to highlight multiple sections, repeat the process for each one. Pro tip: if you're collaborating on a doc, highlighting can help others spot changes quickly. Oh, and if you make a mistake, no worries. Just select the highlighted text again, click the highlighter icon, and choose None to remove it. One more thing, on mobile devices, the process is similar. Open the Google Docs app, select your text by long pressing and dragging, then tap the formatting options and select Highlight. It's that straightforward. There you have it, folks. Highlighting text in Google Docs is a breeze and can seriously boost your productivity. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more tech tips, and drop a comment below if you have any questions. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.